Bien, so this one's out of 20, and as you can see, it's a real test of the preterite tense, generally speaking. Well, lots of tenses, but all irregular. So we've got vinieron and dieron, and then 2 would be supo. As soon as I knew, because it's a suddenly. As soon as I suddenly I knew that you were going. He began to cry. So again, suddenly he began to cry. They're events that are occurring one after the other. Number 3, why? Well, espero que is a trigger phrase, which is where we've got the subjunctive. And notice we've got that encuentres, because in the present tense, when you get the I form, it's going to be encuentro. And so you keep that for the subjunctive too, as you change the endings. Again, we've got another one that does that change. So in the present tense, it will be me acuerdo. So we've still got that O to UE change in the subjunctive when you've changed the endings from acuerdas to acuerdes. And then this cuando recibas, again, we've got a subjunctive fest going on here. We will, let's have a look. I hope that you are fine and you remember us when you receive this letter. So this letter's not yet arrived. This cuando, watch out for them using cuando, referring to a future time. When en cuando is being used to refer to a future time that's not yet happened, you will use the present subjunctive. So for example, if I say, when I leave school, I will go to Spain, or when I have lots of money, I will go to Spain. Cuando tenga mucho dinero, iré a España. Number 4, al cruzar, meaning on crossing the street, I suddenly had the impression, so I had this feeling, it's a sudden feeling, it's not an ongoing feeling. I suddenly had this impression that one of the neighbours was pursuing us. And notice we've got persiguiendo. Although the verb is perseguir, it's one of those that in the gerund goes from E to I. So pedir is another one. It would become está or estaba pidiendo with an I. Another one would be just seguir, so it becomes siguiendo with an I. Have a look through your Shorm's grammar and find the ones that do that in the gerund. And number 5, I about you will say nothing. That's it.